Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix no sound plays after you connect your earbuds with a phone. And the first one, maybe it's a problem of audio player, so let's say you listen to music with Apple Music or Spotify or something else, it's the same. So firstly try to restart it, remove it from the cache and open it again. If it didn't help you, we should check if you have the last software version. So open the application, then go to the settings at the right top and click right here at the firmware version. Then tap on check now and it's checking for updates. It said that I have the last version. If you haven't, install a new one. Also, what can help you? I recommended to restart your device. So I'm using a phone and I should restart the phone. And maybe it fixes your problem. Or a tablet, or where you using it. And the last one. If all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a hard reset. So go to the Bluetooth. Now put your earbuds to the charging case, and after that press and hold at the connection button at the bottom until you can see that this LED light start flashing only red. Here we go, now you can release your finger, and firstly we need to remove it from the phone, so click the information icon or settings icon, forget the device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after a hard reset, these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically. So you need to just click on it at the device list, and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!